All right, good morning, everyone. Let's gather around. And first off, welcome to Aquetong Spring Park, Nature and Heritage Preserve. If you haven't been here, it's just a really beautiful spot. Every day is an opportunity to do something really special. By being here, you're showing a really strong commitment of being an environmental steward, which is what the Aquetong Watershed Association is all about. If you're not familiar with the Aquetong Watershed Association, it's a group of community members, both within Solebury and outside of Solebury, who really care about the natural resources here and really want to support the mission of the Aquetong Watershed Association, which is to conserve, preserve, and protect our natural resources. It's important that we protect these resources, especially the Aquetong, because they provide so much value. Think about the creek being cradled by this riparian corridor. Today, what we're going to be doing is replanting a part of a disturbed riparian corridor, which is treeless. The riparian corridor serves both as water filtration. Think about a cradle holding the creek, a big sponge and a filter. It cleans the water as it enters the creek. It slows down the water to prevent flooding downstream. It regulates temperature of the creek. Cold water is good. It provides habitat, migration corridors, and of course flood regulation. It provides a lot of service for us. It has a value for us, and not just, of course, and its cultural value and its recreational value too. We have about half an acre spot that we're going to be revegetating. This isn't really only a tree planting. We're going to be planting shrubs too. So this is a true riparian corridor restoration. By increasing the complexity of the habitat, we're giving Mother Nature a little bit more of a head start for them to recover on their own. The Aquetong, is truly a gem, and that while we're in Solebury Township and we're taking care of our park and we're acting locally, we're doing a global impact, and we can keep in mind that the work that we do has a greater impact. Water source is the source of water for 15 million people. We don't often think of that, but the Aquetong Spring is a constant source. It's a water faucet that never shuts off. We are constantly feeding the Delaware River. The Delaware River serves 15 million people for their water source. So what we do here has a greater impact globally. So again, one of the things that's really important to do, the smaller things that we do as a community and locally, they do have greater impacts.